come with me to clean my nasty ass phone screen. And here we are. As you can see, it's got some gray and dirt, shit, I don't know, from when I got it off of eBay, and I just never decided to clean it. It's pretty nasty, so let's get into it. Not in this nasty ass sink, though. We're just gonna go to my bathroom. As you can see, we have the phone and we have the water, and we're just gonna see if we can clean it off. Is the Samsung Galaxy A01 waterproof?
No, it is not waterproof or water resistant, as it lacks an official IP rating. Keep it away from liquids to prevent damage.
Shit, for real. Google, you don't know shit.